making my choices, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother, my friend, the money I spend, I ain't getting confused with mystery. Whatever I choose is my victory today. I ain't getting confused, no. I gotta get my way, because time now is by nobody. So me now waste time with nobody. I me now go a jail for nobody. Anything when me burn I feel her body. Not say you can't this but a verbally. You better know that is my choice. Ooh.
Bad boy, why pray?
Fine, brother.
Choices.
You don't know me eating already, brother?
Brother, if you ever knew what happened to me the other day,
Oh, go on.
you know, say me go back over a girl yard and me see a woman wear up her mother. And me never know you.
Me bombard. I lie at you.
Race, me I tell you.
So watch ya. You just meet a girl and me I do my work and go rob the girl mother. So you say I go on dirt?
Brother, right now she have come in name gas station.
You know you say we have to do something, you know, because you know me come down already, you know. I don't like evidence left, you know.
No man, me no in them thing there. But say my father is a man of law, you know. So me can't in them thing there, brother. All me I try talk to you ladies are not me, are you. No, listen. I said me did it too. I said no. I usually hang up on the corner. So me I walk past and I don't know you.
You sell me up bad man.
I no sell out.
Yo, watch you know. Remember saying, you know, we're a friend for a long time, you see me? So no bother go sell me out, you know, because I know your father come down already, you know.
Same thing me tell you. All him not even know what me go tell him.
Just don't sell me out.
Boy, right now I'm stressed out.
So what you going to do?
I don't know what I mean, right? Because they must say me see everything will happen.
Brother, what you mean you don't know what you going to do? Right now you get me fully corrupt in the youth. If a man a forward from so far, me and your friend from little baby state, so, and you want to sell me out, youth?
I'm not sell out.
Yo, better you go on home, go cool out, you go all arrest. You know say sky bleaky. Go on, man, and just fix up your business and link me back.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Me and your friends saying about just do right, just easy from a little bit and fix your business. Hello. You know what you do for me? When you come give me a link, you know, because right now some things are going on and I really don't understand. You know hear your brother I send it to your father like with the situation are going. Just come give me a check for my end. Boy, right now I pay foolish again. You see me, I remember saying me and you and your brother grew up. I remember say what they do a little thing, but now I talk about that still, but your brother did tell your father nothing?
What I talk about? Me no I talk about cause daddy looking for him and daddy can't find him. I trouble him, you know?
Okay, and I hear nothing. But I can stay this then. What's the mean normally play a dollar house and we do a thing? Wait the thing still can go on?
No, that really come from down there so far. Man later.
You know easy, you know. No if you catch it still.
Get there. one 12 times I try.
Because why? Yeah, say Evelyn. Me no in no talking with about no Evelyn. Because why? You think me no mark your face? Me mark your face and you and the next little raper one did they try to hold me down the day. You agree with him.
Yeah.
Me know you never touch me. But how comes you turn up one side and not sitting like you there watch you see if nobody they come to soon? And what happen?
And not that happen. Listen, right now I'm stressed out. Because I never agree with what I do. And that's why you see me even walk go down. I never agree with what I do. Alright, now I'll call the daughter and I not even get her.
Little boy, let me tell you something. One thing. Me not just drop his stick and lick in your face. You know, say me no believe you. So you never involved in it. Not because you go one side. You can't in it too. But guess what? Me take it in consideration, you know. You know? Me just take it in consideration and they wonder if you're in there or if you're not in there. Because him can they do the action and you stand up and watch. But me just, you know what? You could have my son too. You could have been my son too, so maybe a true you they talk. Maybe a true.
Shoot me, I tell you.
The little dirty short boy where me couldn't even see his face. Who him underneath the mask?
I say me no know. Me just dig there in a sticky situation and make a wrong choice. And I realize that choices them I make. That gonna be my downfall right now. But me like your daughter, me genuinely like her.
You like for me daughter?
Yeah.
And you in them the kind of company there. So you want to lead my daughter astray. Or you want to breed my daughter and run lefty. And make it depend me one. Without a daddy. You working?
Me no get no work here, but me a work on it.
You working on it? Where the work on? My daughter or the work? Where you working on? Make sure say if I'm my daughter you the work on you use protection. You hear me?
Yeah.
Because if you not working right now, it no make no sense to come bring no baby, yes sir. Because me no have neither see the last $500 that your friend Tiffy. And me hungry. You understand? I'll know me hungry. So me no know that they go. You see, anytime you get a work, make sure you carry up that $500 they come give me. All you know you did take it because your friend. You and him a walk. The inveigle is bad as the thief. You hear me? So know you learn. Cause me don't forgive you. You want come in and feel me daughter life. That means that you going to be my what? Son-in-law. So now you have to come out of them kind of company. They come in and want them the kind of breed they in for me family. Because if you breed my daughter and give her whether son or daughter, it's going to be a granddaughter or a grandson for me. And me no want my grandpitney come to no thief, no killer, no raper man. You understand? Cut out the violence. Come out of them company. They don't fit you. You're a nice little boy. And you look very nice and decent too. Me no know you end up in them the kind of friend eh?
Boy, I don't like say more day and night, but my father police, you know, so I can't involve in a certain things. Not really true, my father police, you know, but me personally, me no like the violence. Me no like them things. So that's why me say me like your daughter, and me would have treat her good. No like how my friend treat you. Because me tell him, say, what you do? Because me tell him, say, me not agree with it.
Toga, you feel say me no know your name through me as a little boy. Let me tell you something. Toga, listen this. You look like a humble person. You look very nice. And for you go carry down shame and disgrace from your father and him a police. Eh? Listen to me, you see police, they don't like when they pick me bad. They want them pick me come out the best way in our life, just like how them come out successful in life, or in our life. So guess what? You see when they were the wrong there and they do the wrong with the wrong, even though you didn't do it, me just show you something for you understand, because all when you don't do it, when you're there with the wrong there, it's like you're doing it too.
Yeah.
So when you're there with the wrong there, all when you're not wrong, you're wrong. You understand? So you have to take the blame, say you're wrong, because you're shitting at them the kind of company there. Maybe you are your friend and you never know say certain mistake. Because you know, you know, me understand you're a big woman. You can have friends for lifetime. And them are wicked. Them are evil somebody. And you and them are friend and you never know. Because when they're around them, they not be a certain type of way. So me understand. So me give you a chance. But I hope when you and my daughter get in more, you not treat my daughter or your friend when they try to do me.
I understand everything what you said. Everything you understand. You understand me as a Candy?
Oi. Hold on panda lip there and that tongue there when your stupid mouth. Who you call Candy?
Sorry, Miss Candy.
You feel some your size, little boy? So through your date my daughter, you feel you can contact me now?
No, I slip my mouth slip, sorry.
Your mouth slip. Put on a grip on it.
Sorry,
Put on a grip on it, not because you date me that you feel you can come style me and talk to me anyhow. Miss Candy for you.
Yes, Miss Candy.
Okay. Go ahead and tell me when they tell me now.
As me say, I genuinely love your daughter. Genuinely like her, I don't want to lose her.
Okay. Don't worry yourself. Continue call her and see if she will answer the phone. And me go talk to her for you.
Yeah.
But make sure say it's not like your friend. As some women they go, my friend, me see you sit down on the roadside. Where you there,
Yeah, so me always there.
On the roadside. I make you end up in a bad company. Think about it. Make her up the business.
Alright, Miss Candy.
Yeah. Making my choices, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother, my friend, the money I spend. I ain't getting confused with mystery. Whatever I choose is my victory today. I ain't getting confused, no. I gotta get my way. Because time now is for nobody. So me now is time for nobody.
Serve.
Mr. Shaka.
Who you bother me for? Can't start me?
To me a call from when?
Me don't want you call me.
That move someone, I'm telling you the truth. Saying me never involved in it, me never agree with it.
You still come with the foolishness. All you call me phone, me not answer. You still they call me phone. You know you say me done with you. Me not want nothing to do with you. You're deaf. Leave me alone, listen, you hear?
Me I see your mother and me tell your mother the truth and me never agree with it. And him, and it's this situation me never agree, me not do nothing. For sure, and me you know some father police.
I like your father police. Me never know that. And you are roll with thief and fear father police.
More time make some mistake.
Well, this a mistake, yeah. Nah, nothing to do with me. You betray me, and that not gonna happen again. You do it once, you not gonna do it twice. As I say, more you see me and leave me alone. Look how all you look me not pay no mind. The one little chance me give you, not even one good time, and you forget it. And you know the worst part where really burn me, you come the night and I pretend like everything alright, and you know what you do. If you never agree with it, what make you did it if you never agree with it?
I'm to go stop him and do what I do. Me just there to stay on one side. You see me just there wrong place at wrong time. Sometimes you make some mistake. You see me? I eat follow you back in the long run, so that means me never agree.
You know where this a mistake you do? You lose me, so you must learn now to keep yourself to yourself. They say show me who your friend is and I will know who you be. Keep yourself to yourself next time, so next time you will learn. And by the way, me ask you a question. The night, when time after everything happened, I'ma call you. Me see you make a phone call, or who you call? And where you did go?
I want my friend them me call to come help me with the situation.
Are the same big belly boy?
No, him.
Hey, nothing what you said me not believe in. Nothing when you say me no believe because you lie and wicked.
I'm going to tell you the truth.
So where you come from now? Where you want to see me for? Where you want to talk to me about?
I want to get things right with you. I want to straighten out back things. So you know say I really rate it.
The only way you can get back this half year, you know, if you're born again. Cause that way you do, I'm afraid of you. I'm not lie. What happened to my mother? Oh my God. Suppose the man did the way that tell me say, you know?
I never know say your mother either.
Oh.
You see how I well want this work. If we start over, I will just be friends. Because I can't see myself without it. I swear. So what you say?
When me say, answer, we can't be friends, you know, but our friends just stay because when we notice you young boy nowadays, we're going to say friend. I'm not really friend in the mean, but let's see how it goes.
Alright, I'm going to go down and come. Someone know say alright, night and day. I'm some part of it, yeah?
Yeah, man. Hey, serve. Send me a strong drink of rum there.
So like you full of stress, man.
I don't know what to do that boy there.
You wanna ask her when you're sitting there, go on in your life, you know, careful in the mirror.
Officer Ramsey, I can talk to you a little bit, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Officer Ramsey, me come to lay down a radam complaint about a wicked, heartless, devious radam man. You know, say that evening me walk up the road and me see somebody coming in one mask, one short, thick youth. His face cover, me not see face good, and him a walk with one tall, slim black youth. That the one me not have no mask. The tall one, he not touch me no tall. Him step on one side go stand up. But you see the short one, we have on the mask. You know saying come grab on for me and take me $500.
Oh,
and
yeah,
they drum if you can me go over one house where some grill there. That's how me did reach. One pull me, don't know if I'm yard or away. Or he go over there all the while and do people so. But Officer Ramsey, I over there so he did one rather me. And you know say me tell him boy say, you know me have to tell him, hey, you know say, you better you can't go up a one bush up so. When me go prefer to give him in the bush. Where the courage and he ants them there.
Oh, yeah, say to me.
Yes, and he grab me $500. That's when he hear about the courage and the ants. This is a dirty boy. Cause the boy willing to make me carry him. But he in the bush when he did one draw me go for a long time. If you go give my body. If you do I trick him. How me if you go in the bush, go give man things in a handness and courage. Just the same idiot I'll do and try to rob me and when you want to come do things to me.
So you don't know none of them?
Me no know them are the first me they see that the short thick boy there. Me don't go see him body a matter of fact. Me not see him face. So me can't tell you how. But all I know, this situation is a random situation and you have to go know if you deal with it because the boy is a wicked boy. And you see the tall one? Me see him face, you know, anywhere me see him right now, me can point him out because me mark his face. But he never touch me. But I must see him friend. Why am I walk with him? I'm friend because he turn up and wait for him till he take up my money and they ring up me and I want to draw me go away.
So, where's a friend when you say that happened?
In the evening.
Today?
Yes, Friday evening, yeah.
Alright, I have some colleague on the road, so I will call them.
I never say yesterday evening or this evening, I chatting on. When I say in the evening, I mean this evening, today, this a day, you know other day, this day.
Alright, man. I have some colleague on the road a patrol right now, so I will call them and make them do some investigation.
Officer Ramsey, we can tell you something? You know, say if I did allow that boy to carry me go in the bush, I would have rather me. And me know me
What you say to me?
Me know me couldn't take it, so me just trick him and tell him, say one police they come down the road. Me say, look there, a police that, as he let me up, me just run off. As so comes me get way, it's how that radam, how that dead body you come pick up.
Alright, ma'am, I deal with the situation. Yeah, so
Please, sir, me beg you, because he think he get way, you know. He feel say he get way. And he know say me can report it, but me beg you. Yes, when you catch him, I want you radam him. You know, do nobody else again. You know, say me did hungry that day and he take me $500 and want him back.
Alright, ma'am, here what?
Still
I'll give you my number, so if you have anyone them come in contact again, you call me.
You give me your number, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thanks very much.
995-3954.
995-3554.
No, 995-3954.
995-3954.
Alright, so just give me a call if you see them in any
995-3554.
No, 995-3954. No, 995-3954.
995-3954.
Just give me a call if you see them any at any location.
Alright, sir.
Alright, man. Have a great evening.
Yes.
Alright.
Please, me I beg you. Look for him for me. He shot and he thick. He always in a mask. Grab him.
Alright,
Yes.
man.
Back
Alright.
him up.
Yeah, man. Alright. Toga, me just get one complaint from a woman, you know. Me don't know if I you know, but you're my son and me know say you're tall. And me know you have a friend who's short like you same way. I hope say I know you right now, you know. I hope say I know you, cause as much as you're my son, you know, as much as me and my son, me broke you up and can go lock you up down a station, you know. Make sure say I know you. Hey, sir, it's right now to me upset right now. Make sure say I know you, know. Make sure say I know you hear me say boy. Alright.
Tragic. Yeah. Making my choices, yeah.
Where your brother there?
That independent from man, I see none call.
Right now, me mad, you know. Somebody just me on the road a while ago and make one complaint. And the description was sound like them. I'm not sure if me just a hope I know him, you know. Because as me I tell you, it's the same for him. As much as my son, me I mash him up and can go lock him up down there. How you want to do? I can't want to carry down shame and disgrace for me.
Well, daddy, me something like that from her friend there. I never believe it.
It's the based on how me feel right. You go to school from there?
No, daddy.
What make you not go to school?
Because you never left no lunch money.
Me left money on the table. Me left money on the table for you to go to school.
Well,
You know, give me a phone. Go and find something do.
but daddy, we're not.
Go and go find something do.
Choices. Bar with me, I go bar with you. Shoot off for me, I go shoot off for you. Your choice. Tragic.
Yo, I want let me say though, because I know daddy I look for you.
Me?
No, me.
What me do?
Me say I see for a flying girl picnic.
No go so man.
And you daddy all again no something no go so.
Where that is?
Imran, I had to wait for you.
Why?
Even daddy.
You see, that's the hardest thing, you know. I feel to be a father and a person a part of the law at the same time. And you see right now, if you lucky say, me drop asleep. You see if me never drop asleep, I'm in a different mood right now. I'm looking at my face when I talk to you. Looking at me here when I talk to you. You see, the lucky say, me calm. They on the road today. And somebody come to me and make a complaint. I'm not sure if I you, But you see, based on the description I get, I want to know if you go on with nothing recently. You say if you look in my face when I talk to you, look in my face. Someone have to be honest with me and tell me face side of the story.
He's not a troublesome youth. He just there wrong place at wrong time.
You're not supposed to do. That means you know something then.
No, Daddy, I don't know nothing.
As much as you are my son, me carry down there to lock you up. As much as you are my son. So you need to start talk up.
But Daddy, I don't do nothing. I just say I'm there wrong place at wrong time. You know me always sit down out there, sir.
So, at that me say I go to school for 6 on the roadside.
I must see holiday now.
I'll find something to my police station for you to do. Because I don't want to hear, I don't want to hear nobody nothing. I say if you look for me when I talk to you, I want you to be honest with me, You say you're at the wrong place at the wrong time. That means that you know something. You see, anytime them boy they come for you, me and them boy they come for you.
What Daddy, me say me no know.
Me say, you tell me say you don't know when you don't say you're at the wrong place at the wrong time, that means you know something. And you gotta tell me what you know. Before me get just sticking us up on you. You know talk. Looking at my face, me say.
Daddy, me and my friend a walk from up the road. And he there tell me say he want some money. At the same time one lady a walk. And he said, go and walk. So me never know why they are do. Saying they are going to rob a woman for real. So me, the woman see my face, And that's why you hear say me involved in something. But me not even know about. Because I not do nothing. So just that, Daddy. My name a call pan. I not do nothing.
Boy, me don't know if you respond to that, What your boy name?
Puppy name, Daddy.
You know another name?
No.
Your friend. And you know your friend other name?
Think of Howell. Howell and last name.
Me say if you looking at my face when you talk to me. What your friend name?
Howell and last name, Daddy. I don't really know a real name to that, because a puppy me know him as.
You all are not go to school together. You all are no.
I'm in the same class.
You tell me say you don't know his first name.
I don't know.
Yo, me say, you get me dark, You get me dark,
I don't know him.
What your first name?
I don't know him.
What you want? Do you want take what you forget?
I don't know.
You want take what you forget?
I don't know that. Let me say I don't know his first name.
Come on, type it. Come on. Go find something now you have to do. And don't let me hear say it's back here, yo.
Don't
let me hear say it's back the yard.
Tragic. Yeah. Making my choices, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother, my friend.
Hello. You say nothing call me phone. Why you continue to call me? Hello. Hello, me no want hear nothing. Stop call. My phone, it done. You not understand what I mean by done? Stop call my phone. You betray me. I'm very disappointed in you, and even if me do forgive you, can't make we go back close like how we did close. Me give you one chance.
Hello.
And you betray me. Come here, mommy. Don't call up my phone.
How you look, so?
No, you idiot, call me.
Where am I calling for?
Me don't know. Tell him, say me no want you call my phone.
Okay. I come back and look for you. You don't have no food you want to eat or no?
We just make some soup, you know. You want some?
Alright. Give me some because I'm hungry. I don't eat nothing from morning.
Alright, sit down.
Hungry, kill me, my girl. Boy, I'm tired. No for me, I want from coming on off here.
Take time while you hot.
Thank you very much, my daughter. Sit down right here, so.
I want no mommy.
See, they burn me, man. You couldn't give me one plate or something to put in, so you go treat your man, them. Eh? Thank you very much. Anyway, what kind of soup is?
Chicken.
What kind of chicken? You sure say chicken you buy?
So mommy, what if you buy?
Then look how much things look like chicken and we say chicken.
What?
Anyway, cut long story short.
Mm-hmm.
I see a policeman
Mm.
and I talk to the policeman about the situation.
That's good. So what you say?
He said I go investigate the matter
Okay. Sound good.
and talk to me about it because remember say he don't know who me they talk, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Me just see him and pass and see him in a one shot, but you me know him long time.
Oh.
You don't know Officer Ramsey?
Officer Ramsey.
Yes, Officer Ramsey.
Oh, Miss Jean's son, return police all day.
No, my daughter. I know that there's somebody there with you they talk. Officer Ramsey, we know you. I'm a big man.
Mm-hmm.
You was a child. Now you grew up. You maybe not remember him. But the person who me they talk, I see him and I make a report to him. So him say I go investigate and get back to me.
I hope you investigate so we can get the solution and make them go the way they need to go.
Radam, straight.
And then I get away with it, so.
Nah, get away with it.
You know what me
I
think?
mean, nah give up because if Officer Ramsey thinking can me and say, him I go investigate and get back to me. And when me look, me not see him go. You know who I go and go to?
Who?
You don't know who?
Who?
Nah, tell you fast, guess what you say, oh no? When you did smile, me tell you, if you keep your mouth, everything me tell you, go tell people. Me not tell you, because like more you go no mind job, you tell Tom and tell Dick and tell Harry and you end up. So till the same somebody them will know want police to look for and find and lock up them backside them ear and run away. Me will keep this to myself. Me know me go to about it. Anyway, but me that you can cook, man, it tastes real good.
Mommy, you are going like you know so they can cook so.
Me know say you can cook, man, but a long time I don't eat out of your hand, you know, it tastes real damn good. I go and come back again there, so when you go have people you go eat, you don't have to wash your hand, you have to wipe your hand on your foot, so every time they cook your kitchen. So two me want catch up at all the while, me not bother wash me hand, me coming back again.
Alright then mommy, me I go eat there so me can go sleep.
Yes man, go and go sleep. When me done, me just put on your plate, you can wash out in me soon gone.
Alright.
Here then. But I thought I didn't drink with soup.
You forgot.
You don't have no spoon.
Put the plate to your head, man. I don't look this
God have mercy, country style. You make soup for your mother. And before you hand me a spoon, you give me a fork. I lady style. No worry yourself. Me work with it. I'm not going to tell your neighbor. Tastes damn good. You know, so I can't eat no more. Me have to go run you now. You understand?
Yeah, I go with
You
it.
go good. Alright, me carry, but you don't know cover.
Yeah, cover around it.
Alright, later. Later, man, later. You know, spend time because that's too much video. Too much. So, later, man, you know you miss me, but I come back again.
Yeah.
So what, my girl? My then. So, you know about the clothes that I bought them last summer?
Yeah, what you mean?
You know, them other some clothes down Shein go, but them not reach it, you know? Mr. Girl, a peer man is going for me, right? I'm not if you can trust my brother, girl, you know?
What go on?
Watch it, speak of the devil.
Why cool?
Then I have something for tell you.
Me here what go on?
So come on, tell you now. Girl, I'm so cool.
Yo, we talking fast, you know my badness come down in a tarry.
So what do you know? Come here, the Mr. Friday. Nobody in there tackled Toga. After something about you know sorry if you get people in this book shop. I want something now do. Eh?
But you know, and I like how you make it sound. And that's extra. Normal premium, you see me? But you know, you see your brother, farm and him a come from me. And you say I move like him let me down. I mean I like them move there.
Well, I don't know my business that you know. But I don't care the camp and what here. I say A1 is full 100. Somebody else tell me I tell that, you know. Let's get some information. But only thing I can tell you, take care of myself. Or
Respect, you know. But remember, you know, see me.
Take long here?
I can't smell my brother, man. Say now, guy, yard. From there, so. I don't feel go home, man.
Where you do that, so?
Daddy,
Go in the yard.
Daddy,
Me said go in the yard.
alright.
My girl, I see your father talk to you.
Me said go in the yard.
Daddy?
You see all you? If you lucky, so me off duty tonight, you know. Boy, you have my daughter up on the roadside and you bang around. Get up!
Go on, officer.
Go move you now. So, are you the man who in our place have the problem?
Yeah, you know problem.
What you mean you have the problem?
Officer, a white shirt, this one.
Good on, good on. Yeah. Hey boy, don't me walk too hard enough. Me flow you say no boy, like you meet to come here.
Yeah man, thanks for returning the favor here.
Go so.
Tragic. Yeah. Making my choices, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother, my friend. The money I spend. I ain't getting confused with mystery. Whatever I choose is my victory today. I ain't getting confused, no. I gotta get my way. Because time now is by nobody. So me now waste time with nobody. I me now go a jail for nobody. Anything when me burn, I feel her body. Not say you can't this, but I verbally. You better know that is my choices. Ooh, choices.